Welcome to the yellow chair classroom. Today I am going to introduce you number nouns and verbs. A sentence in English always has a noun and a verb. We know that a noun is a name of a person, place, animal and thing. I would like to remind parents that the child should know to define correctly. They might be knowing the nouns, but they are unable to define. I will also say that is, am, and are like a family. Is, am, and are used to connect the singular and plural nouns in a sentence. Some example for verbs: run, walk, cry, laugh, jump, eat, play are some examples. They are action words. They show the action of the noun. Now we will move on to the topic singular and plural nouns. How do we make a singular noun or plural nouns? A singular noun is one of something. Singular has the word single, which means there is only one. A plural noun is more than one. Plu means plus. The word plural shows plus in it. When we add more, we put a plus sign, isn't it? There are three rules we have to follow to change the singular into plural nouns. The rule for making the plural nouns depend on the spelling and pronunciation. Most of the time it is as simple as adding s to make plural words. Example: cow cows, house houses, bird birds, dog dogs, river rivers, day days, cat cats, boat boats, desk desks, duck ducks, bottle bottles, key keys, friend friends, sticker stickers, brick bricks, window windows, basket baskets, nail nails, month months. Now, rule number 2. What if a noun already ending with s, bus, buses, glass, glasses? So, if it ends in s, you just add an es. Bus, buses, glass, glasses. If a singular noun ends with s, ss, ch, sh, x or z or z, just add es to the end of the noun. If a singular noun ends with s, ss, ch, sh, x or z, add es to the end of the noun. Let's see some words ending with ss. Class, classes, moss, mosses, glass, glasses, walrus, walruses, gas, gases. Now some words ending with ch. Match, matches, ditch, ditches, beach, beaches, torch, torches, lunch, lunches, bunch, bunches, pitch, pitches. Now word ending with sh. Wish, wishes, marsh, marshes, bush, bushes. And words ending with x. Box, boxes, tax, taxes. And then word ending with z or z. Prize, prizes, blitz, blitzes. There are a few exceptions to this rule. If a singular noun ends with s, ss, ch, sh, x or z, we usually add es to the end of the noun, and that is what we read with the examples. The above example has a few exceptions. Exceptions are monarch, monarchs. we add only s and not es. Then, most of nouns ending in o generally form their plurals by adding es. For example, mango. Mango ends with the vowel o. So you add es after o. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Negro, negroes. Echo, echoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Cargo, cargoes. For some of the nouns ending with O, there are more exceptions, and the example follows by adding S. Photo, photos, radio, radios, video, videos, piano, pianos, kilo, kilos, logo, logos. The radio here comes only under the exception and add S. Memento, mementos, commando, commandos, solo, solos, kilo, kilos, logo, logos, stereo, stereos. When a singular noun ends in a consonant and then y, drop the y and add ies to make it a plural noun. Baby becomes babies. B-A-B-Y. Remove the y and add ies. Does this rule apply to every noun ending with y? No. Some examples are boy, boys, and toy, toys. In boy, you see a vowel before y, and in toys, you see the vowel o before y. In both these words, you see o the vowel before y. So you just have to add s. Now here are some examples of plural nouns adding ies. The word ending with y and having a consonant before y ends with ies in plural. Once again, let me repeat. If a word ends with y and has a consonant before y, then you remove the y and add ies. City, cities, lady, ladies, country, countries, daisy, daisies, party, parties, bunny, bunnies, fly, flies, butterfly, butterflies, family, families, story, stories, pony, ponies, army, armies, library and libraries. But also remember the rule that if a vowel is used before y, then only s should be added. If a vowel is used before y, only s should be added. If a noun ends with f or fe, then f and fe will change to ve before adding s. Example, wife. The singular noun wife ends with fe. So, drop the fe and add ves. wive plus s is wives. Wife, wives. We add ve before s and make it ves. Ve plus s is ves. For example, wolf, wolves, half, halves, elf, elves, thief, thieves, calf, calves, leaf, leaves, life, lives, knife, knives, shelf, shelves. But there are a few exceptions where you add only s, even if the ending word is f. Even if the ending word is f, you have to add only s, and these are the exceptions. Proof, proofs, roof, roofs, gulf, gulfs, belief, beliefs, chief, chiefs. There are a few more words ending with f whose plural can be made in two different ways, by adding s or ves, and you can use both the spellings. For example, scarf. Add S after F. Then hoof. Add S and make it hooves. Then dwarf. Add S after F and make it dwarfs. Or you can just drop the F and add VES and make it scarf, scarves, hoof, hoofs, dwarf, dwarfs. We can form plural nouns by changing the inside vowel of the singular. Man, men. For man, remove A and add E in between. For woman, remove A and add E. Woman and women. Foot. Remove the double O and add double E. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Remove the double O and add the double E. Mouse. Remove the OU and add I. Mouse, mice. Tooth and teeth. Remove the double O and add double E. Adding en to the singular form to change into plural is another version you have to know. Ox, oxen. You add en. Add ox, en, oxen. Child, children. You add en. Next, we learn about some special words. There are some special words that are spelt and pronounced in the same way in both their singular and plural forms. For example, swine and swine, sheep and sheep. Both will be pronounced as the same in singular and plural. You can memorize the following words that follows, which can be spelt and pronounced the same for singular and plural words. Accommodation, advice, aircraft, aluminium, binoculars, cattle, chalk, clothing, concrete, crops, deer, dice, goldfish, flour, food, furniture, jeans, help, homework, police, luggage, news, sugar, and tongs. These are the words for singular and plural, which will be spelt and pronounced the same way. Some nouns are used only in plural. Name of the instruments, which have two parts forming a kind of pair. Example, scissors, tongs, spectacles. Name of specific articles of dresses. Example, trousers, jeans, tights, shorts and pajamas. There are some plural looking singular nouns. Notice this. There are some plural looking singular nouns. Example, subjects, mathematics, physics, electronics. Name of some common diseases, measles, mumps, rickets. Name of some games, billiards and draughts. With this, we come to the end of the chapter on singular and plural nouns. I have made it easy and simple. Make use of this chapter. When you learn repeatedly and write it down, your learning process will be easy. And not only that, you have to continue with the number nouns to learn verbs. Nouns and verbs link together. I wish to bring the chapter of number nouns and verbs in the next episode. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Keep on practicing. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like it. See you in a short period with interesting sessions on number nouns and verbs. Thank you.